$3,500 with my first month in affiliate marketing. What's up, guys? It's Ayub here, and in today's video I will show you guys how I made $3,500 with my first month in affiliate marketing. Okay, so this is probably more than $3,500 obviously because it's in British pounds, but still I just wanted to show you guys this video, okay, what I've made off my first month in affiliate marketing. Obviously I'm making more off affiliate marketing right now, and it's all passive, but I kind of wanted to show you guys this just for a little motivation to see that it is achievable to make this kind of money with affiliate marketing and even more. Okay, this is like chump change compared to what I currently make and what others are making. By the way, this does take work, okay? As with every other business, it's not just like because it's just online, it's gonna be easy, you're gonna make cash overnight. No, bro. It's not. This is not some easy system, quote unquote, that everyone else is trying to sell you on YouTube. No, it actually takes some work. Okay, so with affiliate marketing, it actually takes some work. So as you can see here, this was an affiliate payment from Sparkle. Okay, if you don't know what Sparkle is, it's the whiteboard animation software. It's the company I use for the whiteboard animation software. That's their brand name. Okay, this is their affiliate program. This is an affiliate payment that they sent on October 19th of 2016, and that is for September 16th, the whole month of September 16th. And this payment was sent out through their affiliate program. They don't run their affiliate program through their website anymore. It's done through another website, which is Awin. It's not through them, so you don't get paid through them anymore. But yeah, this was when they were still sending out payments from their company. So as you can see, we're making a payment to you today of 3,582 and 39 British pounds. This is an English company, so that's why this payment was made in British pounds and not in US dollars. But still, as you can see, this is my first payment. This was when I first released a video on my YouTube channel that had an affiliate link in it. Okay, it was my first affiliate link showing people how they can buy this whiteboard animation software, how they can make animation videos just like me, and I linked it, and that's how much I've made for that month. So with affiliate marketing, there is different traffic sources. The main traffic sources I personally use is YouTube, pay traffic, and email marketing. Okay, YouTube is my biggest traffic source. It gets me the most money, and it's passive. Since I post a video, that video ranks and it starts making me money. Okay, so as long as the video is still public, it will always make me money. I have videos on my other channel that I posted in 2016 that are still making money to this day, just like this one. Okay, the whiteboard animation software. And the funny thing is it's growing every month because the offers that I promote are not some shit offers. I promote stuff that people actually are gonna use, and it's like a rebuild kind of thing. So every month they pay for the subscription, I still get paid. So that's what's cool about that. So that's what's cool about YouTube. I'll be showing you guys more on that and other videos on this channel, as I actually made this channel just dedicated for affiliate marketing. So to show you guys how you can make some money with affiliate marketing. Another cool thing about YouTube is I also use it to grow my email list, which I later send offers to, which makes me even more money. So let me explain the process to you guys just so you can understand. First off, you have to understand that I already have an established channel. So it's not like I just came, uploaded a video, started making money off it. Nope, it's a process. It took me about 3 months to start making money with offers because I had to grow a following first. But guys, don't let that discourage you from starting affiliate marketing, because you're probably thinking to yourself, oh fuck, I don't feel like starting a channel. That's a long process and shit, because I'm like you, okay? I'm lazy as shit. I mean, look at my other channel. I take 8-month-long breaks. Anyways, you have to understand not every niche takes this long to start making money, and some take longer, and some you can start making money by tomorrow, by next week, if your video actually ranks. Okay, so it depends on the niche. I'll be posting niches on this channel you guys can use, so stay tuned for that, and subscribe if you haven't already. So basically, like I said, it depends on the niche. My niche is whiteboard animation. I was posting whiteboard animation videos, and one day I was posting my affiliate link for the software that I use to make these videos in the description. So whoever wanted to try out the software and make videos like me, that's where they went. Once they buy, I make commission off that sale. obviously now I've created a funnel, an advanced funnel to triple my commission. Now I take them through an email sequence, and I even have pixels set up to retarget. But that's all advanced stuff. In the beginning, you just want to start making some sales. You want to in the beginning, you just want to start making some sales with affiliate marketing. You don't want to go through all that. So as you can see, guys, it didn't really take me that long to actually start making money off of affiliate marketing. It took me about 4 to 5 months of growing the channel. And in my first month, I made $3,500 off one offer, and now I have 3 nice streams of affiliate income. One is whiteboard animation software, the other is Shopify, and the other is Instagram software. And best of all, it's all passive. So if I had to suggest one way to make money when starting out in 2019, I definitely recommend affiliate marketing, guys. It's the best way to start making money, whether you want to break out of a shitty 9-to-5 job, or you want some side income, or you just want some capital to start something else like FBA or a branded Shopify store. So guys, go ahead and comment down below anything you want to know about affiliate marketing, and I'll post a video about it once I do see your comment. And that's it, guys. Peace.